Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So if you remember last time when we have talked about the gold market, we have discussed the situation around the completion of the major OP target. So this is A, B, C, top major OP objective point has been reached by the market. And we talked a lot about when to go long, or maybe how to do this, and where to go short, and what to do around this, how market could react on this point. And I have talked about some major conditions for taking the long position. One of them was necessary wash and rinse of these lows, because I said I would not even think about taking the long position until I would not see the wash and rinse of these lows. Because hitting of the OP, this is good sign, and indeed market could show some retracement reaction. But I know the gold market, guys, and it's more an exception when the market shows no wash and rinse of the important lows. And this is very sweet and attractive lows, guys. They stand for a long period because it has been formed in February. So lots of time market spent here. And this is long-term consolidation. Again, the new touch of this area has happened recently. And there are significant stops that probably stands below them. And for gold market, it's more almost, could say this is some kind of the miracle if it left unwashed the important levels and left stops untouched. That's why in the current situation and in the same situations previously, when the market stands very close to the important lows or tops, I prefer to get the wash and rinse of these lows before thinking about taking the long position. That was major condition. At the same time, guys, market stands on the downward action. It's very good pacing. And dropping back to these lows, here also was confidence, but it already has been broken, and it's not very important for us now. Actually, despite this target, market has no support in this area, because market right now is not at the oversold due to this correction, it's retracement. So I still think that before taking the long position, you need to see some wash and rinse and appearing of some clear bullish signs on the intraday chart. In this case, yes, maybe some deep retracement will happen. Speaking about the short position, right now market stands very close to comfortable level where the good opportunity to take short position could appear. Also on the daily chart, you can see the market is flirting with the MACD predictor line. In 1-2 sessions, and you could get bearish grabber. Bearish grabber will suggest the taking out of these lows. That's why taking the position around 1320, as we think it will be not bad opportunity to go short, because you do not know what will happen below these lows. But this distance will let you to protect your position with the break-even stop. If market will just collapse lower, this will be very good for you. But if even market will just grab stops here and will start move up again, that's also will be not bad. That's why this area is very good area to watch for. But also there are some other reasons exist why the 1320 is attractive area for taking the short position. So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see that 1320, 1321, 2180, 84 is a confidence resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart. And also this is the potential agreement resistance with this minor A, B, C bottom XOP target. So OP target already has been met here, but you can see market doesn't show fast dropping. So it means that here market doesn't stand yet in the downward continuation, but it's preparing for some another leg up probably could be formed within the 1-2 sessions, I suppose. And XOP target coincides with this confidence support. So we could get, just to the bottom line, we could get confidence, resistance, and agreement on the 4-hourly time frame chart that could be accompanied by the daily bearish grabber. It's a very good combination. Finally, on the hourly chart, guys, it could come the butterfly could be formed, and 1321 is the 1727 extension of this butterfly. It coincides with the 4-hour XOP and the confidence resistance. So particularly this butterfly could trigger the downward reversal here. If market starts dropping earlier and break this consolidation to the downside, starting tending below these lows, it will mean just that downward action has started a bit early. We can't exclude it totally, but currently still we're watching for this butterfly in 1320, 1321 area for taking the short position. As you can see, for speaking about the long, so let's go back to the long positions. Overall action here doesn't look like the reversal. This mostly shows the signs of the retracement. So it's too chaotic action inside of this consolidation, overlapping candles, deep retracements. So this is not definitely the thrusting action to the upside. It's just a reaction on the reaching of the OP target on the daily chart. That's why, guys, currently at that point I do not see any good opportunity to take in the long position. One thing I see is just, as I said, wait for the drop below the OP, and if this will be wash and rinse, so market will show the fast return and back up after the grabbing stops below these lows. Well, maybe in this case it will be the chance to go long and so deeper retracement could be formed. But currently I don't know, maybe big butterfly here will be formed, something of that sort. But currently, guys, I do not see a really attractive situation for taking long position in the gold market.